Have you ever said to yourself, one day I will start that online business, but that one day keeps moving further away? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your dream business after 60 into something real. Not someday, but now. It's not your age, it's not technology, and it's definitely not intelligence. It's a lack of clarity, my friend. And clarifying your vision can boost your confidence and motivate you to take action. After retirement, nobody gives you structure. And without structure, dreams start to float. So today we will create structure for you. At the end of the video, I'll give you a tool that helped me to get structure when building my online business. And I'm sure it will help you as well. Let's start a bit rough. Never say again, I want an online business. Instead say, I will help people solve their problems by giving them solutions. Clarity creates courage, and it's the first step to a successful roadmap. Maybe you would like to do affiliate marketing, which was the way I started. Coaching is something you're passionate about. Many retirees have a lifelong experience in teaching other people, and you love to do it. Blogging is a natural pathway to get your message out to the world, and it's a very effective way of communication. I started my blog early, and so far I have published more than 700 articles. Later, I started my YouTube channel as a complement to my blog, and with more than 400 videos uploaded so far, it's getting noticed in the crowded internet world. All these activities, affiliate marketing, coaching, blogging, YouTube, can generate income for you. But here's the point. Pick one, only one to start with. You don't need 5 income streams from the very beginning. You need focus. So the question would then be, how to stay focused? Here are 5 simple steps to do it. What am I building? Many fail here, but not having a clear view of what you really want to build. Go back to what we talked about earlier. Is an affiliate marketing business, coaching, or something else? Something that sounds interesting for you. For whom is it? Or as we used to say, what's your niche? Do not make the mistake trying to reach anyone. Market to anyone is the same as market to no one. For example, in my case, my niche are retirees and people about to retire soon. And I always target people 55 years and up. How will people find me? Use the media where your target niche hangs out. In my case, for example, the blog is the base, and then I use Facebook and Instagram, which belong to the Meta group, and Facebook and Instagram are to a certain extent integrated. YouTube has become an important media for me because the fastest growing group of YouTube is 55 plus people. But for example, I never use TikTok, where you rarely find all the people hanging out. Investigate where the people of your niche are hanging out and focus on that media. How will I monetize? If you go for affiliate marketing, it's quite simple. As the company you are representing always have material pre-made to use for your marketing. If you go for coaching or consulting, create a program or a training course that you can sell. Commit to 19 days of consistent action. To build a solid online business isn't a sprint. It takes time to attract people. Provide value to create trust and confidence. So if you would like to build a serious online business, give yourself 90 days at least of focused work to start being profitable. This is where most people stop. They want everything to be perfect. But guess what? Perfect never comes. You learn by doing. Record the first video. My first video was terrible, but I learned from it. And today I feel quite comfortable with what I'm uploading. I even launched a special training course, Rita Reese and YouTube My Journey, where I explain exactly how I started my YouTube channel with zero knowledge. The same goes for my blog. The first articles were rubbish, to be honest, but today they have reached an acceptable level. A few words about emails. Once you start to create an audience, email marketing is one of the most important tools to reach out to your people. The messages are more personalized, and if done the right way, you start a conversation with your audience. It builds trust and confidence, and the willingness grows to buy from you. The sad part, my friend, and here I'm completely honest with you, most people quit too early. They expect money to float into the bank account on day one. An online business doesn't work that way. This is a long race based on trust and confidence. Give yourself at least 90 days before you can see stable results. When it comes to monetization, I was working hard for 3 months before I earned my first money. But the consistency and focus on the right things got my business to slowly grow. Remember this, consistency always beats intensity. Your real business after 60 is realistic. It just needs the right tools. In the text below here, I invite you to completely free training course which got me on the correct track from the very beginning. Without this tool, most probably you wouldn't watch this video right now. Try it. If you're serious about starting your dream business after 60, and if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, which is my favorite business, watch this video coming up here on the screen for more detailed input. All the best with your online business, and see you in the next video.